properties, and then you will see video, it will say dissolve up here, it will say transition. You want to click that, and then you got a list of transitions. Now you also what is going on, guys? Continuing, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another Shotcut tutorial. And yeah, I don't know when this is day after just another one, but today we're going to be doing some transitions. We should be how to do that. So yeah, Control Crypt does want to know some of these, so that is part of why I'm doing these videos, to kind of give my guide. But also for you guys, that's why I'm not just doing like a video and then send it to them, put it on YouTube in case anyone else wants it. So I do have some tracks already ready. All I got is just man showing that. So what you want to do is you want to grab this video here that I've got, and then you just want to slide it basically over the top of the other video that you want to make a transition from. So I want to make a transition from my intro to this Fortnite clip. So I'm just going to let go there, and you see this X. Now if you ever see this kind of X thing, that means a transition. So if it's not selected, it will look like that. If it is selected, it will look like that. So to make a transition, or just kind of style your transition, you want to click on properties, and then you will see video, it will say dissolve up here, it will say transition. You want to click that, and then you got a list of transitions. Now you also show you like it will just get let you do one, but what I usually do is just diagonal top left, and then as you see play, it does a transition into it. So that's literally it. So also if you want to do like a transition, maybe to maybe do something like a clip that is like on a different that's on a different track, then all you want to do is either you just click on this and you click this little thing, split up playhead, click that, so that then separates it, and then you just want to grab this bit, you want to take that down, and then you just make a transition there like that. You just move this over so it's like that. You put in what transition you want for this, and then you just play it, and it does that, and it does a reset. The video just goes onto that track. If you already have a track on the bottom bit and you don't really can't do that, then you can probably think of what you already do, and you just cut the intro and you move that up. So you just make a transition there, and it's as easy as that. It's easy as that. So and then you just got that, and it just moves up, and then into your transition. So however big this is how long the transition is. So if I do that, the transition is going to be quite long, obviously. That does make sense, doesn't it? So as you can see, it's a pretty long transition. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up, that'd be really appreciated. Also, hit the agree button for more Control videos and live streams. Like the Control members down in the description below, as well as my second channel and last video. If you need any help with anything else in Shotcut, just leave it down in the comments below. I will leave a link to Shotcut down in the description below. So yeah, if you thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next one. Peace out. Daily vlogs. I'm doing daily videos now because I don't really have volume. So you want to click on that. Alright.